Now new in the Busch-Jaeger ProService Portal, remote maintenance also for Busch-Welcome IP systems. In addition to Busch-free at-home systems, you can now also configure and maintain your customers' Busch-Welcome IP systems if they are using a Smart Access Point Pro. Give it a try. Just log into the ProService Portal with your My Busch-Jaeger credentials. Select the desired customer. Choose the Busch-Welcome IP system with the Smart Access Point Pro and start the remote maintenance. You can then sign into the web interface of the access point and perform the configuration or maintenance tasks of your customer. The remote access is only available if it is activated on the device as shown here. After finishing the remote maintenance, you can leave a note to your customer in the remote maintenance history. The Busch-Jaeger ProService Portal, your digital toolbox for a comprehensive customer support and efficient process optimization. Easy remote maintenance, quick support, smooth organization, and satisfied customers. Now also for Busch-Welcome IP. Register for the Busch-Jaeger ProService Portal.